In this video, we're going to cover some visualization tips. Before we talk about the tips, let's first touch upon what it is. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image of what you want to happen in the future. Studies tell us that visualization as a technique can help train your brain to tackle and perform the task ahead of you. Thus, it's an effective technique to help train your brain for success. For instance, many top athletes use this technique to help them perform their best. Many professionals in many industries utilize visualization. Thus, you should put it to work for you and your exam success. We believe that visualization can help give you a competitive boost in law school. It is also a great way to help you combat stress and anxiety that you may have about your exams too. So now that you have a better idea of what visualization is, let's talk about how to practice it. Try to picture yourself sitting in the room where you're going to be taking your exam. Now, this might be easier for some of you than others because some people take their law school exams in their usual classrooms or lecture halls. And this will make the process of visualization even easier because you will already know what these rooms look like. Now, if you're not sure of what the rooms look like, see if you can pop into the exam room so you can get a feel for what that room looks like. This will help your visualization process be more realistic and thus more effective. Once you have a picture of your exam room in mind, the next step is you should try to picture yourself sitting in that room preparing to take the test. Try to use all of your senses if you can when you're creating this image, because that will make visualization all that more powerful. So for instance, what do you see? Who are you with? What do you hear? Can you taste anything or smell anything? What is the energy like in the room? This is going to help you have a really clear picture in your mind. Once you have thought through all of your senses and what you're seeing, hearing, feeling, and even tasting, you want to move on to the next step of trying to picture yourself taking the test. Try to be as realistic as possible. So, if you know you're taking an exam that's all essay questions, try to picture yourself answering the essay questions. If you know your exam has some multiple choice questions, try to picture yourself answering those multiple choice questions. When you picture yourself taking the test, be sure to tell yourself that you're answering all of the questions correctly and that you're answering them within the time constraints. So this means you're not rushing and you're not struggling. Imagine yourself tackling each and every question with ease and with clarity. Some people even like to practice affirmations while using this technique of visualization. Many people report that it makes their practice of visualization all that more powerful. Now that you have a better idea about how to practice visualization, a lot of people wonder when they should be engaging in this practice. We think that if you're using this for exam purposes, you should definitely try to practice visualization the night before your exam, or maybe even the morning of your exam. Because again, this will help reduce some stress and anxiety, and it really helps you get into the right mindset so that you can walk into your exam feeling that much more confident. Now, you can also practice visualization while preparing for your exam. You don't have to wait until the night before or the day of. So, for instance, you can engage in this practice of visualization when it comes to making your outlines or taking simulated exams. Visualization is not just limited to exam day. Now, remember what we said about visualization. It's helpful for people who are trying to prepare their mind and their body to take an exam. This means visualization, while it's incredibly helpful, is not going to automatically make up for lack of preparation. That's not the purpose of it. Instead, we want you to think of visualization as giving you that competitive edge of helping your mind and your body prepare to take these tests. After all, you've likely spent countless hours learning the law and how to take law school finals. You might as well prepare your mind and body as well. Give visualization a try.